Okay, welcome to video number 3 of chapter 1 series. Now in this video we are going to learn how to write balanced equation. In previous video we discussed about what is unbalanced equation or skeletal equation that we discussed. Now in this video we are going to discuss how to write balanced equation. Now what is balanced equation? Let me tell you. The number of atoms on the product side and on the reactant side. If both are same, then the equation is balanced equation. Look this equation. Here number of Zn atoms is 1 on reactant side and 1 on product side. Number of hydrogen atom 2 here, 2 here. Number of sulfur atoms 1, 1. Number of oxygen atoms 4, 4. So number of all elements, number of atoms of all elements are same here. So this equation is balanced. Okay. So what is balanced equation? Number of atoms of each element is same on reactant and product side. That reaction is called balanced equation. Now few terms are written here: small s, small l, aq, gas, G. What do you mean by these terms? So s, small s, that indicates solid physical state. Small l, that indicates liquid physical state. aq means aqueous solution. Solution in water, okay, that is called aqueous solution. Small g means gas. Now there might be these two types of arrow in your equation. Upward arrow that shows gaseous condition and downward arrow that shows solid form or precipitate form. Okay. Formation of precipitate, that is indicated by downward arrow. So this term you have to remember to write down the full complete reaction. Okay. Now how to write chemical equation that is balanced. For that few steps are there. Suppose I am taking a reaction. A reaction is like this. When sodium element reacts with water, it gives sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Okay, that is our reaction. What is the reaction again? When sodium element reacts with water, it gives sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Now, this is the simple reaction. Sodium element means Na reacts with water H2O to give sodium hydroxide. Now how to write formula for sodium hydroxide? So first of all you have to remember the valency of sodium and hydroxide ion. Valency for sodium, that is Na plus. I am writing down here Na plus and OH minus. Both is 1. By cross multiplication you will get NaOH. Okay, and hydrogen gas, that is H2. Okay, so I have written the simple equation here. So what is the first step of to write balanced chemical equation? First step is write down the chemical equation and draw a box on each reactant and product. So chemical reaction લખી દેવાની અને box draw કરી દેવાનું. That is our first step. Na plus H2O gives NaOH plus H2. I have drawn the boxes here. Okay, that is our first step. Now second step, make a list of elements and number of atoms on each reactant and product side. લિસ્ટ બનાવવાનું કીધું છે. જેટલા બી એલિમેન્ટ હોય એ બધા એલિમેન્ટનો રિએક્ટન્ટ સાઇડ એન્ડ પ્રોડક્ટ સાઇડ બંને સાઇડ. ઓકે, અગેન what is the second step? Make a list of element and number of atoms on reactant and product side. So you have to make a list of each element on reactant and product side, plus you have to write down the number of atoms on reactant and product side. So in the equation you can see here which are the elements: sodium, hydrogen and oxygen on reactant side, and on product side sodium, oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, so here I have written on reactant side sodium, hydrogen, oxygen. Same way on product side sodium, hydrogen and oxygen. How many atoms of sodium are there on reactant side? You can see here sodium, that is 1, hydrogen, that is 2, oxygen, that is 1 on reactant side I am talking about. So here I have written 1, 2, 1. On product side it is 1, 1 and hydrogen is 1 here plus 2 atoms here. So total 3 atoms of hydrogen is there. Okay, so you have to make a list like this. Now next step, select the biggest number from list and try to balance that element first. Okay, જે લિસ્ટ બનાવ્યું એમાંથી સૌથી બિગેસ્ટ નંબર કયો છે? 3 નંબર. સો ટ્રાય ટુ બેલેન્સ ધેટ. બંને બાજુ ઇક્વલ કરવાનો ટ્રાય કરવાનો. પ્રિફર શું કરવાનું? સૌથી બિગેસ્ટ નંબર હોય એ પહેલાં બેલેન્સ કરવાનું. દેટ ઇઝ પ્રિફરેબલ, નોટ કમ્પલસરી, દેટ ઇઝ પ્રિફરેબલ આઈ એમ ટોકિંગ અબાઉટ. ઓકે, સો હાઇડ્રોજન વી આર ગોઈંગ ટુ બેલેન્સ ઇટ હિયર. So hydrogen is 3 on product side and 2 on reactant side. So I have to make some changes on reactant side here. So I am multiplying 2 by 2 here. Okay, why I am multiplying by 2? So I have to make 2 molecules here. I can't make 1.5 molecule or 1.6 molecule. Point ની અંદર કોઈ દિવસ molecule લેવાશે નહીં. So I have to multiply it by 2. So on reactant side, whichever compound is having hydrogen, I am multiplying the whole compound by 2. Again, what I am telling? On reactant side, whichever compound is having hydrogen, I am multiplying it by 2. So જે બોક્સ ડ્રો કરેલો એ બોક્સની બહાર મેં શું લખ્યું? To multiply it by 2. So hydrogen will be 2 2s are 4 here I have written, and these 2 will also multiply with oxygen. So oxygen will be 2 here. Okay, શું કર્યું મેં? અગેન ફરીથી હાઇડ્રોજન વાળો જે બી કમ્પાઉન્ડ હતો ઓન રિએક્ટન્ટ સાઇડ એને 2 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કર્યો. સો હાઇડ્રોજન વિલ બી 4 હિયર એન્ડ ઓક્સિજન સાથે બી 2 મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે, ખાલી હાઇડ્રોજન સાથે નહીં થાય. સો હાઇડ્રોજન એન્ડ ઓક્સિજન બોથ વિલ બી મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 2. ઓક્સિજન વિલ બી 2 હિયર. સો the new equation will be like this: Na plus 2H2O gives NaOH plus H2. Now again make a list like this. Okay, again make a list. So I have a list here. Sodium plus 2H2O gives NaOH plus H2. Sodium is 1 here. You can see here on reactant side sodium is 1 hydrogen is 2 2s are 4, oxygen is 2 1s are 2. Sodium on product side 1, oxygen that is 1 here, and hydrogen that is 1 and 2 3 here. Okay, now I want to balance number of oxygen here. Number of oxygen is 2 on reactant side, and product side it is 1 here. Okay, so I have to make 2 here, so I am multiplying it by 2. So now what we are going to do, we are going to multiply the compound which is having oxygen on product side. On product side, compound having oxygen multiplied by 2. So I am putting 2 here. You can see here Na plus 2H2, that is same here. ઉપરના જેવું છે, જેની અંદર ઓક્સિજન હતો એને મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 2. So 2 NaOH H2, that is same here. Now make again list. Again make a list. Okay, so I have written the list here. On reactant side, product side, sodium that is 1 here, hydrogen that is 2 2s are 4 here, oxygen 2 1s are 2 here. On product side, sodium is 2, oxygen 2, and hydrogen 2 into 1 plus 2 here, 2 into 1 plus 2, total 4. So only one element left to balance, sodium, so multiply it by 2. So I have multiplied it here. 2 Na plus 2H2O gives 2 NaOH plus H2. Now check the list. This is the last one. Sodium 2 2, you can see here 2 sodium 2 sodium. Hydrogen 2 2s are 4, hydrogen here 2 plus 2 4, oxygen 2 oxygen 2. So this is our final equation. Now if physical state is given to you in the question only, if physical state is given to you in the question, you have to write down the physical state. Here I have written sodium that is solid, H2O that is liquid, Na that is aqueous, H2 that is gas. Okay, so in this way you can balance the chemical equation. This is the method. After getting practice you can balance it in shortcut. So first practice this method. I am giving you homework. Homework will be in the description. Okay, thank you.